Today I have a few life hacks in one quick video. One, it is hot as heck outside. It's like 100 degrees outside at night, which is crazy around here. So I'm cooking outside to keep the heat outside. So I'm practicing being homeless when it's hot. So that's tip one. You can see completely making dinner out here. Second thing, when you want to thicken up your mac and cheese sauce, a lot of people told me to add extra butter, and you know, butter ain't always better. I like to use sharp cheddar cheese. Look at that. Just put a little bit in there. The more the merrier if you like cheese. And then the third thing, third life hack, make sure this sauce is completely mixed. You don't want to have like any chunks or anything, then that just kind of ruins it. So you need a really good mixer like I have right here. This one, when I got this mixer, all of my old attachments from the old broken handheld ones fit this one, so it works out really good. So cook dinner outside when it's hot, make mac and cheese with sharp cheddar cheese. Also, make sure everything is mixed up and get a good mixer. So look at that, a bunch of life hacks in one. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.